Welcome to a glimpse of Sunward Montessori School's latest adventure. Today, our students swap their textbooks for the breathtaking beauty of Devdari Waterfall in Varanasi. Grounded in our pillars of perseverance, determination, and sunshine, this tour was more than a trip. It was a lesson in nature's wonders. As we hiked the rugged trails, the air filled with excitement. Our students, in their signature blue uniforms, showed incredible teamwork and spirit. Upon reaching the falls, the sight of the cascading water over ancient rocks left everyone mesmerized. We ended the day splashing in the cool river, celebrating the bonds of friendship that make SMS a true family. From learning about local geography to capturing beautiful group photos, every moment was a memory in the making. Thank you to our staff and parents for making this possible. Remember to like, share, and keep shining.